When the day is nonstop, wellness often gets sidelined. Meet John. He starts strong with customers, but the morning flies, lunch is rushed, and by 2 p.m. he hits a wall. Focus drops, mood dips, and he drives home drained with nothing left for his family. But what if that could change? I'm Andrea Willmore, owner of Fit and Fuel 365. Our wellness program gives teams a simple toolbox: steps, water, sleep, smarter food choices, stretching, guided workouts with how-to videos, and optional meal tracking with snacks and recipes. Inside one app. With privacy first, leaders see team-only progress, never personal data. Now watch John's day again as he practices what he has learned with our wellness program. He fuels smarter at lunch, stays sharp at 2 p.m., shows up better with customers, and still has energy for home. Life can be stressful, but there are controllables. Regardless of the industry you are in, give your team the right tools so they feel better at work and still have more left for home. Give your team the benefit of wellness today. Ready to get started?